Hiya. You can take inspiration for your art from absolutely anywhere, and today I'm going to show you a drawing exercise that takes cells as a starting point. So I've been looking at pictures of cells under the microscope, and I'm going to use that as inspiration. I'm going to build the drawing up using a range of different media. It's going to include felt pens, pencil, biro, and I'm also going to do a bit of a wash with water. So watch the demonstration and then you might want to have a go. Okay, here we go. So there you go, quite straightforward. As you're building up your own drawing, just keep looking at it and thinking to yourself, what do I need to do to make it look better? Think about the contrast, how light and dark areas are. Think about the shapes you're trying to develop. Okay, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye.